You're not poor because you don't work hard. You might be poor because no one warned you about these money traps that silently drain your wealth. You work hard, maybe even save a little, but your bank account still looks the same every month. Why? Because it's not just about how much you make, it's about what you do with it. In this video, I'll show you 10 common money mistakes that silently keep people broke, and more importantly, how to fix them. Don't miss mistake number 7. It's the most damaging one, and almost everyone's guilty of it. Mistake number 1, not tracking your spending. If you don't know where your money's going, you'll never control it. Most people bleed money on small, unnoticed expenses, like $7 coffees or forgotten subscriptions. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. Even if you earn 5Ks a month, if it's all gone by the 30th, you're financially fragile. The problem isn't always income, it's structure. Mistake number 3, no emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, job loss, medical bills. Without a safety net, one emergency will result in total collapse. Mistake number 4, relying on credit for lifestyle. Swipe now, regret later. Many people build fake wealth with credit until they drown in it. Mistake number 5, not investing early. Every year you delay investing is thousands lost. The magic of compound interest only works with time. Mistake number 6, no financial education. You spent 12 years in school but never learned how to manage money. That's not your fault, but staying ignorant is. Mistake number 7, upgrading lifestyle too fast. Get a raise, buy a new car, bonus, book a luxury trip. That's why your income goes up, but your savings stay flat. Mistake number 8, trading time for money only. Your time is limited, but millionaires make money in their sleep. If you're only earning when you work, you'll burn out. Mistake number 9, ignoring taxes and hidden fees. Fees in investments, taxes on side hustles. Small leaks sink big ships. Most people never calculate their real returns. Mistake number 10, no clear financial goals. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint. Why try building wealth without a plan? Now you've seen the 10 biggest money mistakes that keep people broke. But the real power comes from doing the opposite. Pick one of these to fix this week, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people. Make sure to subscribe because in the next video, I'll show you how to set wealth goals that actually work and how to hit them faster than you think.